Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain you question number 5 of exercise 2.5 polynomials chapter. Okay. So first of all, this is which type of polynomial? This is a cubic polynomial because the degree of the variable is 3 here. Okay. So the way for linear polynomial, the degree is 1, so it will have 1 0. For quadratic polynomial, the degree is 2, so it will have 2 zeros. In the same way, for cubic polynomial, the degree is 3, so it will have 3 zeros. Okay, so how are we going to find the zeros of this polynomial? Zeros means factor of this polynomial. So to find the first factor, we are going to use trial and error method. Okay, so trial and error method. First of all, what is the constant here? 2. So the factor of 2 can be, what are the factors of 2? Factors of 2 will be factors of 2 are minus 1 plus 1, minus 2 plus 2. Okay. So to find the first factor, I am going to use trial and error. What is that now? I am going to use first x is equal to plus 1 and see that after putting the value of x is equal to plus 1, am I going to get 0? So p of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So p of plus 1. So wherever x is there, we'll put x is equal to plus 1. Minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. So 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. So same number with opposite sign gets cancelled. So here finally we got as 0. Okay, we got as 0. So x is equal to plus 1, we got as 0. So when you substitute, when you shift this 1 towards LHS, that is known as transposition, it becomes x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is how we got the first factor. Okay, so x minus 1 is the first factor. Now to find the second factor, step 2. To find the second factor, we are going to perform long division method. So x minus 1, and what is the polynomial? X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Okay, so we are going to perform long division method. Now what we are going to do here, you have to check the first term of the dividend and the first term of the divisor. Okay, what is the first term of the divisor? X, and what is the first term of the dividend? Plus x cube. So listen very carefully. X should be multiplied by which number so that you get the answer as x cube? So it should be multiplied by x squared. You know a product rule of exponent. When the base is same, multiplication sign is there, we add the power. So we got x is equal to x cube. Okay. So x should be multiplied by which number so that you get x cube? So it should be multiplied by x square. Okay. Now once you have written x square here as a quotient, the number or the term which you have written as quotient should be multiplied by both the terms of the divisor. So what we are getting? X cube plus into minus minus x square into 1 x square. So you have to write these terms. Now whenever you are writing, you have to write like term below like term. How do you identify that the particular terms are like terms? When the variables are same and when the power of the variable is also same. So x cube you will write below x cube and minus x square you will write below this x square term. Okay. Now the way you perform subtraction of algebra, we are going to do the same here. Now why do we do that subtraction of algebra? So that one of the terms get cancelled. Okay. So I have to cancel this plus x cube. Here it is plus x cube, so it will become minus, and it is minus x square, so it will become plus. So this gets cancelled. Now minus 2, just check the numerical coefficient. Minus 2 plus, because here is no term in front of x square, so it is 1. So what minus 2 plus 1 is what? Minus 1. So minus 1 x square. Now just copy it down the next term, minus x. Now same thing. X should be multiplied by which term so that you get the answer as minus x square. Okay, you have to consider sign also. So x should be multiplied by which term so that you get minus x square. You are concerned only with the first term of the remainder. Okay, so x should be multiplied by minus x. So minus x into, now minus x into x is minus x square. As I said before that whatever terms we are writing in quotient should be multiplied by both the term of the divisor. So minus x into x minus x square, and minus, I am writing rough work here. So minus x into x minus x square, minus x into minus 1 is plus, minus into minus plus, and x into 1 is x. So again copy this like term below like term. So minus x square plus x. Again I have to cancel terms. So this gets cancelled. Now minus x is minus 2x. So minus 2x plus 2. And one more thing, when you are changing the sign, you have to consider this changed sign and you forget about the sign which was given before. So that's why minus into minus, minus 2x. Now again, last time, till we get the remainder as 0, we have to keep on performing the division. Okay. Now x should be multiplied by which number here so that you get minus 2x. So x should be multiplied by which number so that you get minus 2x. So x should be multiplied by minus 2. So minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus into minus, plus 2 into 1, 2. Again change the sign. So plus 2x minus 2x, 2x gets cancelled, plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. Okay. So we got the quotient here. Now we are going to find the factor of this quotient by using splitting middle term. Okay.